welcome.
Hi, my name is Mattias. I'm working at Solelexperten in Umeå. My position is technical sales.
Introduce your company and the collaboration with Huawei FusionSolar.
Our company is based in Umeå, the northern part of Sweden, focused on delivering high quality and cost-efficient energy solutions. Our collaborations with FusionSolar allows us to offer reliable, smart and future-proof systems for customers. We choose Huawei FusionSolar because of their strong innovation, high product quality and advanced safety energy solutions. Their technology ensures high safety standards while helping us deliver more efficient and reliable installations. Our customers appreciate the performance, reliability. They especially value that we can assist them remotely. The collaboration has strengthened our market position and increased customer satisfaction. It has also helped us grow by delivering more tailored and flexible solutions. Huawei FusionSolar products are innovative, efficient and reliable. They combine high performance with smart technology, making them ideal for modern energy solutions.
Thanks for your sharing.